All right. Hey guys, welcome back to howtobuycrypto.com. My name is Marco. And if you're seeing this, you have read the headline correctly. B2X is dead. We're going to be talking about that a little bit, talking about the price of Bitcoin, the top that I called, and what it's going to mean to the price, what it's going to mean to you guys, and what I see coming. And, we'll just go ahead and get into it. I am in my studio. Oh, you know what? Let me swap this mic. Hopefully, you guys, here we go. Let me see. This, you should see an improvement in the audio quality, and hopefully I am in the studio. I still don't have my camera set up. Wanted to get this out to you guys as quickly as possible. Let me go ahead and swap my screen, and we're going to take a look. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. But here's the deal. $205 billion market cap. Bitcoin's at 76.63 right now. You can see here the tab. It's pretty much a green day. It's been a green day. Slowly moved up. I pulled some profit on what was it, Zcash today. I got, I think, about 9% or so. But here's the big news. Charlie Shrem tweeted out, SegWit2X suspending plans for the upcoming 2 megabyte upgrade. And that's, hashtag Bitcoin. And then he clicks a link and everybody's like, yeah, happy, good deal, the Bitcoin roller coaster. So let me show you the link here, and we'll just, I'll go ahead and read it to you if you can't read this on the screen. The SegWit2X effort began in May with a simple purpose: to increase the block size and improve Bitcoin scalability. At the time, the Bitcoin community was in crisis after nearly 3 years of heavy debate, and consensus for SegWit seemed like a distant mirage with only 30% support among miners. SegWit2X found its first success in August as it broke the deadlock and quickly led to SegWit's successful activation. Since that time, the team shifted its efforts to phase 2 of the project, a 2 megabyte block size increase. Guys, as they were talking about this, I was one of the people saying 2X may never happen. And, as we're getting closer, it just looked like, hey, this was a done deal. The people that had signed the New York agreement said, okay, let's just go through with it. But some people had been stepping out. And here we go. Our goal has always been a smooth upgrade for Bitcoin. Although we strongly believe in the need for a larger block size, there is something we believe is even more important: keeping the community together. Unfortunately, it is clear that we have not built sufficient consensus for a clean block size upgrade at this time. Continuing on the current path could divide community and be a setback to Bitcoin's growth. This was never the goal, said SegWit2X. They go on to say that they feel like this is going to be an issue down the road, that we will have to look at, scaling and changing the block size as, fees rise, and over time, this becomes an issue again. But let me look here at B2X. Bitcoin is going for right now 75.82. Again, 76.74 here on Poloniex. And what are they calling it on? Well, let's see. Let me refresh. 77.04 here on CoinMarketCap. So depending on the what you normally use, let me check. Let me see here. Coinbase. Here we go. I wonder what Coinbase it's going for. Normally it says the price somewhere. Sign in. Oh, okay. I'm not seeing it. You know what? No, I can't. I don't have it with me. I was thinking. All right. But anyhow, guys, this is, I guess I could look here. But no big deal. I was just wondering. So the deal is, after this was tweeted out, we saw a huge, right around that time, we saw a huge spike, from, it was about 70. Let's see, this is 30-minute candles. You know what? I can just go to TradingView and we'll take a look there and see what, the time frame was. BTC, this is on Poloniex. And this is the daily. Let's go to the hourly. And you see here, there was the spike on the last hour. So let's go down to, let's go 5-minute candles. And this is, it says noon right now. Yeah, noon. So we saw that spike right here. 76.25 was, let's see, 77.41 was the high here on this candle. 77.28 here. So right here around 11:40, yeah, 11:40, 11:45, and Charlie tweeted this out 9:08 a.m. So I'm debating whether this was a I don't know, like a play that people are saying, hey, no 2x, Bitcoin can rally up, because if you look here on this chart, and it's something that I've been talking about for quite some time, the monthly is on a 9, but the weekly is on a 5. Okay, we're rolling into the 6, excuse me. And so this means that, the potential for 3 more weeks of upside. And I told you guys, this isn't a likely scenario that on the 15th, we saw a large candle pullback. And let me just go back to the daily. I called this 9, said this is the top. I was right. We had 2 days worth of pullback. And then today, 75.50 is where I was selling, 75.48 or something like that. And I told you guys I pulled profit and majority out of Bitcoin. And here the close was 70.63. Oh, no, excuse me. Close was 70.84 yesterday. And today, the open 70.84, the high 77.70. Check that out. That's a cool number to look at. So anyhow, we see this spike here, and we'll see as it unfolds. But it sounds like, there was some buyer elation, I guess, that 2x is gone. And, maybe some people heard this a little bit earlier. And see this as Wednesday that this was sent out. And that's saying that this isn't fake news. Who knows that someone didn't forge this and send it out. And, we're going to see something different. But as of what, Charlie Shrem is saying, as of what, this email looks like is saying, or I don't know, it's attachment, whatever this is. It looks like we had, 2x is dead, and we had that all-time high right here, 77.70. We'll see what it happens. Check that out, 77.70. That's cool. 777s, man. And, we'll see where it goes. But essentially, it sounds like, guys, that, no 2x is happening. And I've been hoping that this, I've been saying it wasn't wanting 2x. I was also, all the way back before 2x was happening, when we were talking about the original SegWit and the agreement to take it to get there. And then we were talking about the Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold. And I told you guys, they're going to keep trying to fork Bitcoin and adding new coins because there's money to be made. And now 2x is saying, no, we're not going to go through with it. And I'd said back then that Bitcoin Cash took away a lot of the steam that a lot of the, people that were, thinking we needed 2x. When Bitcoin Cash came, it took a lot of that willpower away from 2x. A lot of the, kind of a cornered support, of people, because now they say, hey, we have Bitcoin Cash. Why do we need Bitcoin 2x? And, that's up to you guys, depending on how you see it or what you were thinking. I don't know if I posted this last night, the episode. I don't think I did. Yet. I hadn't changed the screen cover. I mean, the cover art. So I hadn't posted it yet. But anyhow, guys, if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you'll get the, when I'm going live and be able to check it out in real time, because I generally tend to wait a little bit before I put it over into the Facebook group where you can, find the link there. But anyhow, happy to have you guys either way, as far as the Facebook group or the YouTube channel. Whichever guys you want to communicate with me. But hey, guys, I just wanted to let you know what was going on there. Again, I told you Zcash, I pulled some profit today. For me, it was more than this 5% that is showing right now. I was up, I think it was like 9 something percent. And I've been doing some short plays on this action lately, and I guess I can talk some more about that later. I told you. So within 36 hours, I was able to pull profit from Litecoin, Zcash, and Monero. 48 hours between those three. So I was hitting a target every day with those, and so I'm pretty happy about that. Making some cash and being happy, looking back, smiling, and looking for more entries on these. I love these guys between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash, Ethereum Classic is another one that I like, but I'm not in it right now. I told you I already hit my targets for that. Monero, Dash. I like a number of these. I don't trade as much Stellar or NXT or RAP. But or Bitcoin Cash, you know, that just annoys me. I don't care for it. And I've let you guys know about that. But anyhow, they're just ones that have been producing and been able to pull profit on a regular basis through, you know, doing some shorter trades. And you know, when you look at the crypto market, I like playing the top, you know, 20, top 25. And Steam is another one that I buy into. Yeah, actually, I'm almost up 10% on Steam right now, so that's good. So anyhow, I think I'm going to hold on to that one a little bit longer because I think I will see a little bit more upside there. But OMG, another one that I bought into. Wow, hey, look at that! I could pull some profit right now on OMG. Yeah, that's pretty close to where I'm at on this. I am definitely probably maybe around 15% up on OMG on that. So hey, cool, look at that. I might, you know, see how that one plays out. OMG, what else? Neo is another one that I buy into that's not here. It shows up on B2X here on the USDT tab, and you know, when it doesn't show up on Poloniex, but that's just this little section here. So you know, just trying to give you guys a heads up of what I'm looking at, what I'm into, what I'm not, and you know, hopefully you guys get some insight there and get some benefit from it. So let's see, man. I'm going to be watching the Bitcoin charts and seeing where it's going to go. I do still feel like we're going to get some pullback. I do feel like this was a dead cat bounce. I could be wrong. You know, I'm happy to say when I'm wrong, and I'll tell you guys when I'm wrong. But I do feel like because 2X is not happening, we are going to see because this is like, again, on the monthly, we're on a 9 here, and then on the daily, again, we had that 9, and you know, it was indication to pull profit at a 13 here, which told us to, you know, that a completion of a bull cycle. And so, you know, you had that pullback. I'm still waiting to get in my majority position, seeing how this is going to play out. I do feel like we are going to I told you guys, I'm hoping for under $6,000 in the $5,000 range to pull back, and we'll see over this, you know, next few days how it plays out if 2X is not happening, especially because a lot of people are in Bitcoin because they think that I'm getting the 2X coin for it for free, and some people were saying was looking like around $1,000 per 2X. So if you had a Bitcoin, you get an extra $1,000 for free. And there was problems with 2X. They still hadn't done replay protection. And, you know, I told you guys, I think that, you know, in the beginning, I told you I didn't, you know, 2X wasn't sure that it was going to happen. And, you know, we're at that point where we're seeing, you know, obviously it didn't mean that it was going to happen, but also in the replay protection, they said the same thing about B Gold, and B Gold got replay protection, even though they said they weren't going to. And that's what I was anticipating was going to happen with 2X if it were going to happen. In the first place, I told you guys I didn't know that it was going to happen. So, hey, I'm happy. Hopefully that is the case. We're done with 2X, and Bitcoin's got headroom on this bull cycle. And on the weekly, we'll see another 3 weeks worth of upside. You got a 13 here on the weekly. That set up last week. So, anyhow, hopefully we'll go to a 9, guys, and we'll see another sell point. And there we go, 76.10. on Poloniex. So we'll see. What is B2X saying? Price is moving, guys. 75.62. So look, I think that 77.70 was the all-time high, and we're going to get some pullback. So yeah, 7,500. We're already pulling back here. 76.10. Who knows? You know, I'll be keeping you updated, guys. We'll come back live again, hopefully tomorrow, and hopefully I'll get my camera set up by then, and you won't have to be dealing with just looking at a screen share. So, guys, I'm going to be wrapping it up here. Let me know, again, if you want to email me, marco@howtobuycrypto.com. You want to let me, you know, talk to me on the Facebook group, on the YouTube channel, happy, however you want to do it. I will be talking with you guys soon. God bless you.